we are going to edit shapes. Okay, so let's say I take a sphere shape and I make it like this, here, here, and here. Now, let's say I want to actually edit the shape. How would I go about that? Well, the first thing that you would do is you turn on hidden geometry to see what actually you can edit. You go over here to view, hidden geometry, and now all these lines come in. So these lines are, if you look at them close enough, all of those are actually flat surfaces. Those are all flat surfaces. So you can actually choose some of them. Now the hidden geometry is on. Again, if I want, I can go in here or I could explode the whole thing. Let's just say I have it like here. So if I go and I choose this, then I'm choosing just these pieces that are blue. As you can see, it's all the way around like that. So I could take these and now I can scale if I want just those pieces. So if I press Control while I'm doing this, it's going out around there. So I'm kind of changing that whole piece like that. If I wanted to do that, I can make it go kind of more like that. Make it go down. So it's kind of like now it's kind of like an acorn shape. So now I have this shape. I could do that if I wanted to. Let's say that I wanted to just manipulate one of these squares right here. I could actually take a piece like that and I can actually push and pull that out if I want to. Now I have all these different surfaces. I can kind of do what I want with them. Right? So I could do that. Or I could actually put a circle right on it. Because again, all these rectangles are shapes. They're all planes, rather. So I could kind of do that if I wanted to. And let's say I want to put, I could put some eyes on here if I felt like it. I could kind of just make maybe three-dimensional eyes. Like that. Kind of do something like that if I wanted to. I could take the shape and kind of move it like that. Let's see what that is. Let's see what that is. Yeah, so I can just kind of keep moving that in. Don't twist it. I want to move it. Okay, so here we go. Kind of like that. That's kind of on there like that. I can move it. I don't actually have to touch it to move it. Now that I've actually selected, I can move it from up here if I wanted to. Here I'm moving it. All right, I'm gonna make another one. Control, move that one over there. That if I wanted to. Okay. So that's, I could do that. So now I have these two guys right there like that. And let's say now I want to actually color them. I want to change the colors. I go over here to materials. And if I go inside, I can actually say I want this whole, that one that color, and that can be that color. Then I want to go in and I can actually, once I'm inside here, I can color each individual square different colors if I wanted to. I want to do that. Or again, if I was in here and I had made some circles and just kind of left it like that, I could go in here and color those in different, something like that also. Right? I also could go and choose just a point. If I actually choose just that point right there, and I can move that point kind of in a direction like that if I wanted to. So I actually can go in here and really do quite a lot of sculpting. You know, that's kind of sticking up like that. There's a lot you can do. So you can add different shapes together. You can color them different ways. And then once I'm all done with this, say I'm like, oh, that looks amazing. So what I can do is I don't want to see all those lines anymore. So you just go View, Pin Geometry, and now I have this little guy right here that I just made. It's a little funky, but you get the idea of it. So using these techniques, you can kind of make any kind of any kind of an object or any kind of a character. All right, so just give it a try. Good luck.